Hi girls, we are going camping.
Hello!
We're getting our food, bread. So bread is always good, guys. To stock up bread while you're camping, it's really good. This is the beef. I'm gonna get one of these. You see a cockroach inside the bread, guys. I don't know if you can see that moving. It's not a cockroach, but it's like the same like a cockroach.
Mini one, isn't it?
Mini cockroach.
Yes, it's
I have no idea what is inside here.
Pineapple and shrimp and cheese.
Good. How's yours, babe?
Same as yours.
Oh yeah. Is it not hot? No.
My food. Five.
Alright guys, it's a bit raining. We're going for a stop in here for lunch. It's sticky rice.
Yeah, go and read about it.
It's called Entil Sanda. I'm gonna read it for you guys. It's a traditional Balinese food from Pupuan. Entil made from rice. This is entil. They serve it 3 days before Galungan Day. But now you can eat it anytime really in Warung Daddy. So Warung Daddy. So this is Warung Daddy. Here we are. The coconut sauce is beautiful.
Have some fish.
Try. What do you think? Is it good? No.
Spicy, I don't.
And the price is 14k. You like it? Babe, I guess this is traditional from this area, Pupuan.
Oh, sugar.
It's not. It didn't use them today.
Pick it up. Boss! Woohoo! Nice one. Well done, boss. I told you earlier, go down a bit. Wow, welcome guys. We are here. Nice place. It's working for 3 nights in here. This is gonna be amazing and beautiful for us. So can we go up there?
Yeah.
Woo, that's a strong one, Abigail.
Looks like
Go, Abigail. I'll help mommy. Yeah, that's what I say.
This is waterproof one.
Waterproof, yes.
Not proof. Proof.
Proof.
Are you excited? I'm excited. Hi, bro. What do you say? Sorry. Please subscribe. Subscribe for the video. But when it's finished, or maybe now. Look, there's glamping things over here. Glamping tents. I'm Daddy. Hi, my name is Uncle Ten. I make a YouTube channel. This is what I sound like. I'm really strong.
That's fine.
Wow. Look at this. Wow, I thought it would be over there or somewhere. There.
Oh, you've got a nice view.
And we have a coffee tree in front of our tent. Robusta. Whatever it's called, I don't remember. Guys, if you haven't watched the video where we went to a hidden garden about coffee, you have to watch that after this video, okay? We have these flowers at home. They just don't really grow recently. Maybe it's because there's too much sun. And over here it's cold. Tent is going on.
Tired.
Nothing. It's beautiful. Come on. Yeah, I think I helped. I helped really well, right, Mommy?
Yes, you did. You did the first one. You did.
Everything is inside, guys, because running outside. So we're just a lucky arrive now because it was raining. It's a bit drama with the car as well to coming up here. And now we're going to set up everything. Our room will be in here. The girls will be in here.
You can just come, Papa. Papa.
There we go. Right, hotel is done, everyone. How about next door?
No. Come in.
The hotel is
come
done.
Come in. Daddy's not allowed to see. So, I'll show you. Hey, don't see. You see? This is Emily's little place. Hey! So, this is Emily's little bed with little cuddlies. And she has a ladybird using my little nightlight. Then this is mine. I have 2 sleeping bags. I have a secret, but I can't tell anyone. I have an imaginary friend. Sleep there. And then these are all my toys. And then my little desk. So I have some homework to do. A drawer here. And done.
This is our view. So we'd love to show to you guys what we can do in here, what to do in here. This place is so amazing. I would say this place is so amazing and really nice. And right at the top of there is beautiful as well. And also we are just next to the mountains behind there. Terrace down there, it's beautiful. And on that side as well. Amazing tent. Also they rent this out in here, and this is about 250,000 a night. But we love our tent. It's pretty, isn't it? And also you can just hire tent over there. Is it charging? No, how come? Might be your iPad broken?
You think so?
What is broken? Hey, is it working? What happened?
Where's the electricity coming from,
Yeah.
Emily? Where's it coming from? From here? From here? Dong.
Yeah, that's it. Still working?
I wish that was the answer.
Still working?
No.
Still working?
No.
How come it's not working? But there's no power. How does that work, eh? Oh, silly. We need to plug it to the power first and then the electric come out. You are silly.
I'll take the car up by some eggs.
No. Ooh, deserve it, guys. Bintang. Here we go. Camping, guys. This is camping has always been in our mind. And look at that beautiful.
I guess that's the mountain you can see from the beach.
Ah, right.
Maybe that one, or maybe the one next to it. I don't know. I think.
Nice. We've been fishing, and this is gonna be our food for dinner. Abigail, careful, Abigail. Waterfall. Huh? This is the last bit, yeah, exactly. Right, Emily?
Hold on here.
Oh wow. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, we end up in here. There's a little house in here. I guess people live in here. Oh yeah. Halo. Wow. Mantap kali ini. Kubuknya. Oh. Probably no. Let's go fishing in here. This is the first fish, guys.
I'm gonna be videoing him fishing. That's actually easy. I thought it would take like 2 minutes to catch. It said 5 minutes.
Okay, we're gonna catch a kilo, guys. Catch a small one. Like that. Small one. So we're gonna release these. Go! Emily, Abigail. Ooh, wow! Ini kecil ini. Right, we done. Right, here we go. This is our dinner. I'm sorry, guys. We're finished. Makasih banyak ya. Wow, look at this, guys. We got this cucumber. Look at that. It's a fresh cucumber from the farmer. This is nice. Thank you to them. Well, I did offer them some money, but they said no, just get it. Have it for free. This is our dinner. That's the fish that we caught earlier. How is it, Emily? Abigail? Do you like the fish?
We have a cat here.
Yeah. So I guess some of them will give it to the cat.
The bone we give
The bone.
because it will be quiet. If we give it food, it will be quiet. If we don't, it will meow 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 until we give it food.
That's the fish. That's the sambal.
We caught 7 in the end.
Yeah, we caught 7 in the end. And we have sunset. Oof, noodles.
Give it to me.
Ah, nice. This is for Emily noodles.
Why am I
Yay. This is for Daddy. Look at that. Ooh.
So we eat with our hands?
Yes, eat with your hands is fine.
Which is what I really wanted.
That one is less meat.
This
the girls have with the meat one.
Oh yeah. How do you get the meat off this? It's all bones.
Meow. Meow. This is our night begin, guys. Kids are playing games and Daddy making a fire. So we're going to do marshmallows tonight. We have the sunset on that side. It's so beautiful. Still beautiful, everyone. Amazing Bali. Yeah, amazing Bali. So what this game called?
Donut game.
Donut game.
Go nuts
Donut
for
for
donuts.
Go nut for donut.
Which chair? I'm sitting on it. That one's a bit bigger.
Tell us how much you love this camping.
It smells of celery. It's like maybe the grass smells of celery. I don't know.
But my question, how much do you love this camping? 10 out of 10.
8.
Where's the other 2?
My struggles coming in.
Struggles? What struggles? We just got here.
You said drama coming. The car.
Drama?
The car.
Mommy was a good driver.
Delicious.
Ready for my
Oh, okay, I will.
I haven't had a sleep yet.
Okay,
I haven't had marshmallows.
okay.
Is this on?
Yeah.
This is from the fire.
What?
Okay. Be careful, yeah? Just hold it on the right. Would you like this one or would you like to do your own one?
Oh,
How come yours getting fire?
yeah.
On?
It's burnt. I caught it on fire.
No, it's a black marshmallow.
This is fine.
So,
This is good.
Rest it on the edge and then this.
It's really yummy on this side.
Hmm?
Oh, this is really delicious. But if you see this,
Oh yeah. How's it, Amanda?
My favorite.
Your favorite? Ooh.
look.
Ooh. Wee. Look at that. Emily's looking good, Emily.
Are you ready? Hold the end.
If you don't know how to make a fire, learn from Uncle Chan.
Yes, I'm good at making fire. There's
How you
fire.
blow it out? Not.
Oh, can I have another one?
Ooh, how's it, Emily? It's almost melty.
But it's not as melted as mine was. Oh.
Hold it right in there. Good job. Oopsie. Concentrate what you're doing.
Ooh. Ooh. This is just good fire to make marshmallows. Ooh, ooh. I guess that's just good. What do you think, guys? Looking good, right? Mmm.
Oh my goodness, Daddy! Daddy, how to teach me how to make that? Like that, I have to learn. Oh my goodness.
Whew. This is what we call mantap.
That's what we call mantap. Okay?
See you in the morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, my wife. Yes.
Did you do the
Yes. Morning, Abby. How are you? What time is it now? 7:30. We got that sunshine over there behind the mountain. This morning is so beautiful. So we're getting a breakfast, getting a table, getting a making a coffee, tea, milk. Wasn't really the best sleep because our airbed is broken, so it's flat, no air anymore. So we're gonna stay here another 2 nights with airbed broken like that. So basically we sleep on the floor. Good morning, good morning. Well, guys, not a fun morning. Gas is finished, so no coffee. We have to just eat our breakfast without coffee. The staff of the camera tried getting us gas, but I don't know where he is now. So after this we're going to 2 activities with the girls as well. They say they have a river on the other side, which we can play with in the river. See you there, guys. Barbie on the swing.
Kaka, Barbie.
Coffee on the way.
So coffee on the way. The simple coffee has done. Without sugar. Perfecto.
Hot.
In the coffee. And now it look like soggy. Look like it, like a, I don't know what you look like a rat. Looks like a rat. Or no? Sea whales. And now it looks like a rabbit.
Just eat it.
And now it looks like a cat. Oh, Baba, this is epic.
This is my toaster bread.
Must be very soggy.
Anyway. Mmm. Perfect. So we're going to see the river.
And go down. No.
Don't go that way.
This side where it's lighter. That's where the car got stuck. Actually, it looks like there's water coming out from the.
Oh, from the floor, I guess.
Yeah. So that's why it's so muddy, because it's coming from the water.
Ah.
Yeah.
What happened to that? Oh, all right, let's go. Or maybe dry river?
Dry river.
Dry river.
Water is always wet.
Water is always wet.
Yeah.
There's a coffee plantation right there. Is that it? Oh, we found the river, guys. It's so clean. Look at that. Oh, mushroom. We found a mushroom.
No, I found a mushroom.
You found the mushroom, not me.
No,
Okay.
I found a mushroom.
Well, there's a tiny river over here. This is very clean.
I think there's a bigger one down.
It's bigger down there. Oh, this is amazing, guys. Look at this. It's river crossing the land. And is it cold?
Really cold.
Watch out, it might be fish, ne?
My sandal got stuck.
Oh, you guys under stuck.
Like boosted, you can find it.
Okay, on
Don't forget
purpose.
to like and subscribe.
Oh my god. Well done, Emily.
Belly.
Yeah, down it.
Beautiful place in here for us to enjoy with the kids. So natural. This is a proper river down there. Yeah, proper river. And look at this, beautiful. I'm amazed at the way how they do this. The bamboos, the stairs. You know, it's so amazing. Yeah, I wish this place is so close to Kuta and Legian, so you guys can enjoy this place as well. But this place is about 3 hours from Kuta Legian by car. And on the other side, the rice terrace.
Abby?
Hi, pretty. Oh, yeah, Abigail, please. What is that? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Now it's Emily's turn. 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo!